The Tekno NB48 platform is a solid choice for Nitro Buggy enthusiasts, and with 2 years having passed since the 1/8 scale competition winner last saw any updates, Tekno RC have continued with their refinements and deliver a fresh new update to the lineup, the NB48 2.2. The Tekno NB48 2.2 builds off of the groundbreaking 1/8 scale Nitro chassis platform by offering incredible rough track handling, extreme durability, ease of maintenance, and innovative design features. With plenty of revised features on the latest 2.2 edition, there's plenty of brand new features too, such as split design CNC machined shock towers, new 93.5mm rear universal drive shafts, new Ackerman spindle plates, and more. No doubt we'll cover these in more detail as we progress through the build. In essence, it's easy to see the incredible value offered with this buggy. As usual, inside the box we'll find everything we need to build the rolling chassis by constructing a bag at a time, each labelled in order. As we work our way through each bag, we build a little more of the vehicle, slowly attaching built parts together, at which point we'll have a complete rolling chassis. In typical Tekno fashion, alongside the kit bags we find the thread lock, black grease and the various fluids needed throughout the build, which we'll cover in more detail as we proceed, as well as a 4mm thick machined aluminum chassis and the decal sheet to accompany it. All pretty standard stuff, especially if you've followed our previous build guides or constructed a Tekno RC yourself in the past. A body is provided with this kit too, although you'll need your own paints of course. Talking of things you'll need, remember we're building a rolling chassis here, so you'll still need the main guts of the buggy as well as the equipment to run it too. When it comes to tools, you'll need a pretty standard set of RC tools to build the entire kit. Hex and nut drivers for instance, nothing really out of the ordinary here, although I would definitely specifically recommend the Tekno 1115 shockshaft pliers, along with a 17mm wheel wrench. Again, I have the Tekno branded version here, part 1116, complete with a shock cap tool on the top. We'll also need some turnbuckle wrenches. Specifically recommended is the Tekno 1103 wrench, which has 4 and 5mm ends, and the Tekno 1119, which is 5.5 and 7mm. Oh, and a hobby knife and needle nose pliers come in very handy too. All the fluids you'll need are included within the package, everything except O-ring grease that is, so we'll need some of that too, and that should cover us when it comes to everything we need to build the entire kit. All in all, as we'd expect from Tekno, everything really looks high quality here. We'll take a more detailed look at the contents of each bag as we proceed, although note that much of the build is the same as the various other Tekno RC vehicles, so there'll be some repetition here, but nevertheless join me in the next video where we'll get started with Kit Bag A, the centre differential.